Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Meteorology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed, 5th semester ZVC. We will discuss the topic energy flow in ecosystem. Energy flow being the sun, green plants use water, carbon dioxide and sunlight to make glucose through the process of photosynthesis. Movement of energy. The flow of energy is the most important factor that controls what kind of organism lives in an ecosystem and how many organisms the ecosystem can support. Primary energy source. Most life on earth depend on photosynthetic organisms which capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy in organic molecules. These organic molecules are what we call as food. Photosynthesis. See in these plates, it is a chemical reaction by which green plants use water, carbon dioxide and light from sun to make glucose. Living things, all living things needed food to live. Living things is an ecosystem depend on each other for food. Primary energy sources. Most organisms in an ecosystem can be compared with chemical machines driven by the energy produced in photosynthesis. Organisms that make glucose during photosynthesis are called producers and include plants, some kinds of bacteria, etc. Movement of energy through ecosystem. Producers use most of the energy they make for themselves. All other organisms in an ecosystem are consumers. Consumers eat plants or other organisms to obtain their energy. Energy moves from one trophic level to the next, from sunlight to producers to primary consumers and so on down the food chain. Okay, and food chain, the path of energy through the trophic level of an ecosystem is called food chain. Food chain start with producers which use sunlight and convert it to food energy. Food chain. The most obvious aspects of nature is that the energy must pass from one living organism to the other. A food chain starts with what gets eaten, like a fly is eaten by a bird. A food chain so which animals eat other animals are plants. Food chain can be divided into two types: grazing food chains and detritus food chains. Okay, producers use the energy of the sun to build energy rich carbohydrates. Solar energy provides practically all energy for ecosystem. Plants are called producers because they make their own food inside themselves. Producers use cellular respiration to supply their energy they need to live. Energy transfer from producer to consumer. The energy that is not used by producers can be passed on the onto organisms that cannot make their own energy. Energy flow in ecosystem: sun to plants, plants to herbivores, carnivores to other carnivores. Consumers are those who do not make their own food but get it from eating plants and other animals. Primary consumers, the organisms that consumes producers are called primary consumers. They are also called herbivores. Most of the energy the primary consumers get from the producers is used by the consumer. Secondary or second order consumers. At the third trophic level, we have secondary consumers. Second order consumers are animals that eat other animals. These animals are called carnivores. Herbivores consume that eat producers to get energy are the first order or primary consumers. They are also called herbivores. They survive on plants like cow, horse and mice, etc. Secondary consumers are those animals that eat other animals. These animals called carnivores. Second consumers may be a carnivores or a herbivores, may be a predators or may be a scavengers. Okay, top consumers are not eaten by any other consumers. They are at the top of the food chain. They can be primary, secondary or tertiary consumers. Okay, tertiary consumers, many ecosystem contain a fourth trophic level made up of carnivores that consume are net carnivores called tertiary consumers. The hawk that eat a snake is a tertiary consumers unless a larger birds eat in the hawk. Omnivores, some animals such as deer eat both plants and other animals. They are both herbivores as well as carnivores. They are called as omnivores, example as human beings and deer, etc. Food chain in ecosystem seen these plates are all trophic levels: producer, consumer and decomposers. Consumer are of three category: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores are first trophic level, second trophic level and third trophic levels. Dativores are organisms that obtain energy from organic waste and dead bodies produced at all the trophic levels. They are the decomposers of the food chain. Decomposers, they break down remains of dead organisms. They play a very important role in ecosystem. These decomposers include worms, bacteria, fungi, and some insects. Scavengers, consumers that eat other consumers that have already dead are called scavengers. Okay? Thank you, students.